morning. I have the house to myself, which is so rare. Not for long, but I'm soaking it up. Free vlogging, no one can hear me. It is currently day after election day, so you all know we don't know much. So I'm just waiting it out. I feel like it's gonna be days till we like know things for sure. Yesterday, that was like all I did was watch the election news coverage. Today, I'm trying to just not pay that much attention since things can change and I feel like we're not really gonna know for a while. One thing I wanted to do this morning, because I did this a couple days ago and I have some leftover pumpkin that is gonna go bad. I'm gonna make a little homemade pumpkin spice latte. I guess pumpkin season's not fully over. That goes through like Thanksgiving. So it was really good. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I am winging this, so we're gonna see how this turns out. Yeah, that's what's first up. All right, so I have like half a can of this pumpkin left, which the other day made 2 lattes, so I'm probably just gonna scoop out like a quarter, or maybe I just make it all. Actually, I'm gonna use it all, and then whatever I don't drink hot right now, I'm gonna save, and then that can be like a cold one later. So all we're doing is in the pan, I'm gonna put this in probably like equal parts oat milk, and then we're just gonna let that cook up, and then I'm gonna add some cinnamon pumpkin pie spice, and the other day we used some maple syrup to sweeten it, but today I'm probably just gonna add a little stevia. Eventually this is gonna cook down and all be one. Forgot to mention a very crucial ingredient, and that is the espresso. We have a little built-in espresso machine, which I am still learning how to use. Somehow this is gonna, we'll go with the 2 coffee. This is just gonna make us our little espresso shot. Catching up on some emails from the living room. Also, just a couple home updates. In case you haven't heard, we're eventually gonna have a TV on this wall. I cannot wait for that. And then a big like U-shaped sectional. So right now we've just like DIY'd this little living room. These chairs do not go together. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Vlog camera battery died, but this is definitely not gonna be the look for forever. And I'm excited to have like actual lounging space down here to like watch TV and hang out, like all of us, because we don't really do that down here that much. I don't know. Maybe that's sad. You know what I mean? Like TV and movies are just like something that brings everybody together. One room update coming at ya. Put on a little bit of makeup. I'm gonna show you some of my favorite activewear pieces from Fabletics for this month here in a minute. They're sponsoring this vlog, so thank you so much to them. But yeah, got ready some because I'm about to go run some errands. Need to go to Trader Joe's. But first, a room update. I've got a lot of really cool things, like home and decor things in from Amazon recently that weren't here in time for the home decor haul, but I think I'm actually gonna do in a couple of weeks a like Amazon home product favorites video. Like a month or 2 ago, I did an Amazon favorites video that did really well. So probably gonna do another of those. Finally getting to my update is that I asked you guys in my last vlog about what I should do with like the mirror in the closet, because brief catch up, the dressing room lighting there, or dressing room, it feels like a dressing room. The lighting there is so bad. It feels like dressing room lighting because it's coming from like straight above and you don't get much natural light in the closet. So I was just finding that everything was unflattering, which in general, I don't love just for like day-to-day getting ready, like feeling good walking out the door. But B, obviously I take a lot of like, for brands and stuff, like mirror photos. That may sound really dumb, but like I obviously don't want their products to look bad when they look good in person just because of that shadowy lighting. You know what I mean? So thank you for everyone who gave some feedback on what to do with that. I ordered another mirror that's gonna end up replacing that one really quick right now. I'm about to move the one from in there that was 5,000 pounds into this corner of my room, and we're just gonna go from there. And my reason for moving that out here is that I ended up finding a more affordable option than this one. Very similar, just like another gold one. I think it's like 70 or 72 inches high, which you tell me where you can find a cheap mirror for that price. I know a lot of people said like the IKEA one, but at least where I live, they won't deliver that to my area. I don't really know, but I couldn't deliver it, and I have no way of fitting that in my car or anyone's car I know. All of that to say, IKEA one's not an option. This one's going out there. And then my similar looking but more affordable one's just gonna go in here. Now I need to try to move this. Also, we got to do some closet clean out today. Or not clean out, clean up. Here is what this looks like here. Cute little background, especially once we have the bed. In general, again, I didn't want like the look of just a mirror in the corner in this room. But you know, we're working with it. It means we are officially retiring the like comfy chair in the corner idea since we have that now. I also had got 2 prints, originally thinking I was just gonna do like a symmetrical look on this wall. So I was gonna have one there and one there that were kind of big, but now of course that also will not fit there. If this is gonna solve my problems, then we will keep that there. So I guess like one frame could still go there. I'm not putting anything above my bed. So, I mean, I could put one there and then one on that one, but no, because this one's gonna be there. I need to hang this. I don't know, maybe the art just doesn't even go up and we keep it without it, but I did want a little something else to like tie in some more of this like beachy blue tone. All right, so we have so many new items from Fabletics this month. As you can tell, we have some very festive colors. We have some neutrals, which I like, some black classics, just some fun items. So I'm gonna try on some of these and just walk you through them. So first of all, I'm pretty sure this all comes in one outfit. It's like a 5-piece outfit, or you can buy these separately, of course, but it includes this huge like hooded puffer jacket. As you can tell, she's pricey, but I'll tell you in a little bit how you can get 70% off every single item on the website. But also included with that, this is just like the cutest little festive Christmassy print. I think this would be cute for like a Christmas card or just like holiday lounging. Two similar tops. Well, one's a top and one's a jacket. We just have these little zip up numbers in the same Christmassy fabric. Another red item that is definitely a little bit more toned down and could be worn more throughout the year. We just have this fit with some kind of like magenta-y details, and they're seamless fabric, which is super comfortable. They're just a different material than your standard like power hold legging. You can kind of see that in the waistband here. Next, I thought this was such a fun color. I don't have any activewear in this color, so I just got this cute little like dressed up fancy sports bra. Crosses in the back. This looks like a, yep, this is a high impact sports bra. So good for lots of jumping and, you know, intense activity. And then in the same color, I got these pocket leggings in the 7/8 length, which is my favorite. Just like a little ankle crop fit. And these are in their Motion 365 fabric, which is good for like, I think it's good for like lower impact things or like yoga or Pilates. It definitely doesn't like squeeze you in quite as much as the power hold fabric or some of the other ones would. But this is one of my favorites for just like lounging around because it just like feels like your skin kind of. Jumping up here, I don't think these pieces were necessarily supposed to go together, but just from a color scheme perspective, I'm probably gonna wear it with this little neutral pullover cropped like sweatshirt, which I'm pretty sure on the website was designed to be paired with this little black puffer vest. You may only think of them as like an activewear company, but they actually have, especially in the winter seasons, a lot of really great outerwear. Like last year, I got a white puffer jacket from them. They have some long sleeve ones. Then for a go-to black fit, you'll see on this pattern kind of becomes a cool little design that you can see. Then we have some top options if you want to go sleeveless. We have this sculpt knit bra. It's kind of like a long line bra, and then that can either be paired with or worn separately from the long sleeve sculpt knit top. So if it's cold where you live and you're wanting to get outside a little bit, this is a really cute option. Lastly, these have a matching pair of leggings in the same fabric if you want to go for a full like monochromatic look. I did not get those, but I love this sports bra. Again, you can kind of see a theme. I'm just loving this whole like little curved under boob detail. And then this is what the back looks like. Super adjustable. We have these really heavy duty straps. This is called their all day everyday bra because you can work out in it, but also it's really comfy if you just want to lounge. And then in the same color family, I just got this little hoodie that is nice and soft. The deal they're offering right now, which I believe is their best deal that they do ever, is if you're new to joining the VIP program, right now you will actually save 70% on every single item. You know, they normally have like really good deals on bottoms and whatnot, but this is the better deal on absolutely everything. You can get 70% off. You can join at the link below if you're interested. Basically every month they will charge you $49.95. You can skip any month you want to. Your credit will roll over if you don't spend it in a month. You can also unsubscribe from the membership at any time if you are just not feeling it or you just want to do it for a time or whatever. It's all good. So thank you to them for sponsoring this video. You guys know the deal. This is the only activewear I wear. Yeah, that is that. I did my hair and didn't really brush all these curls yet, so they're looking a little intense. We need to soften these up. I guess next up is heading to the grocery store. I need to make my list. I've been getting really creative with like fun things I've been cooking, or I guess just different things I've been cooking. So I think I'm also gonna probably this week film a what I eat in a day to go up this weekend. So I have some new recipes I've been loving that you guys haven't actually seen yet on this channel. So maybe I'll give a preview with tonight's dinner perhaps. Another little update, our maintenance guy was here today and I had him hang this photo, which if you're just looking at this looks so high above this desk, but then you gotta remember how tall this ceiling is. So let me give you a full visual. If that were lower, it would just look stupid. So I considered doing a bigger print as well. However, this frame is like the closest I could get size-wise to being like even with the desk. So I don't know, let me know. Here's a better angle of the colors without the glare. Other really exciting news is that my bed gets in on Friday, so that is so soon. Another new addition, walking out of my room. Just hung this little gold mirror here. Just have a little spot, you know, see myself on the way down. And now it looks like it's 9 o'clock. My. What am I gonna listen to in the car? Potentially unpopular opinion, but I know Ariana Grande came out with some new stuff. I was excited. I heard some samples here and there and I thought, oh, I'm gonna like that. I don't like literally any of it. I guess the like most popular couple of songs are like okay, or like the one with Doja Cat I can like listen to. As a whole though, I'm not feeling it, and I've never been the biggest Ariana fan, so maybe that's expected. Let me know what you guys thought. Just got back, unloaded, left some stuff out that I'm gonna make for dinner, making a little pasta. I'm not gonna say too much about it, but I may try out this new sauce. I'm gonna taste it first. I don't know, I feel like Alfredo sauces at home that you buy from the store are never that good. Although I haven't bought one in years, so I really don't know, but the truffle reeled me in, so I'm gonna taste this. Also, just a thought I had. I really wish there were ways to buy smaller, like, amounts of nuts. Like, I don't need a huge thing of pine nuts for $10 that I'm not gonna use that often. Or like, I get a thing of like cashews or like almonds, and I just want like a fourth of it, you know what I mean? And they're so expensive. On a more fun note, I saw these in the checkout aisle right as I was walking out, as well as this peppermint hot chocolate, and I love peppermint, so I thought that these would be some fun little purchases to add. First thought is that this smells insane. Truffle is just so good. But do I want like I mean, I already bought it, so I should have thought about this sooner, but is this gonna make my whole pasta taste just like truffle? Smells like truffle mixed with the Alfredo sauce. I don't know about it. I'm gonna try it another night. I'm not gonna try it tonight. How cute is my bathroom looking? I am just obsessed. I'm freezing right now. I feel like I bundle up every night to go to bed. I just put on like socks and sweatpants. I literally sleep under my sheets, comforter, and 2 blankets at night. Also, to everyone who was commenting saying that this room is haunted because it's cold, get a life is all I have to say. Don't even say that to me. Do not even plant that thought in my mind. I'm also just kidding. You don't have to get a life. I know it's all in good fun, hopefully. Don't even say it though. No, I don't know. The upstairs is just colder than the downstairs. Also, this is a new build. The only people that lived here before us were YouTubers, and they didn't die, so it's not haunted. But I thought I would also address some comments from you guys, because you guys have been giving me so much feedback about everything I bring up, which is super helpful, so thank you. But regarding the, oh, okay, apparently it still works a little bit. But regarding this motion light that I put tape over, kind of haphazardly, I could do this a lot better to like look nicer and not like go over the edges, but just cover this part. Some people are saying that like there's a way to like change this to where it's not motion and this and that. There isn't, unfortunately, but at least with this one, our landlord, as well as our maintenance guy who comes by all the time and fixes everything, he said that there's no way to change this without like putting a different like thing on here or like rewiring it or something, which is just way too much work. Now cozy in bed. I just feel like I'm wrapping up such a good day. I don't know, nothing crazy happened when I wasn't vlogging. I was just working, but I feel like I got really ahead. I'm realizing as well, this is a very like fall day, like between the PSL, I went on a walk, it felt very fall with like all of the leaves. For dinner, I made this kind of like fall, very hearty pasta. And now I think I'm gonna watch, even though Halloween's over, it is literally November. I never watched like Hocus Pocus or like the classics. I did watch The Addams Family on Halloween. I saved it for Halloween morning, watched both the Addams Family movies. Such a big fan. I think our generation should appreciate those more. So if you didn't watch that this Halloween season, it's never too late. Go watch it now. I think they are so funny. That's the only like Halloween movie I watched. So probably gonna watch a little something fall and spooky a little bit maybe. Lots more vlogs coming soon. Have some fun things coming up. Thanks for watching. I'll see all of you guys in my next video.